This is a wooden ruler. On a wooden ruler in this place. 2 screws. Wrench. Tighten and tighten. And then there's the guide. Put it down here. Chain. What if the chain breaks here? Do it like this. Do it on the ground. And then this piece has a pointed, the top of the pointy one. Put the chain here like this. Hang in here. Then bring it up. Brake plate. So here's an adjustment wire. This adjusting wire must be put into this hole. It can be adjusted here. Adjust the distance before and after this. And then like this. Don't tighten it yet. Never mind. Take a look at this screw first. The tightness here. So you can lift it up gently. As soon as you lose, you basically go back. That's it. If it's too tight, it's easy to break here. Tighten up here. Hey, that's okay. Then this is the flame out switch. Pulling it to the top is normal. This is the throttle. This is gas. Come on. You can only add it after pressing here. Here is a mixture of burning oil, gasoline and motor oil. The ratio of gasoline to motor oil is 25:1. The oil is 1. Here's pure motor oil. Pure motor oil that lubricates the chain. Mix well after adding oil. After refueling, pull the throttle to the bottom. Then start the pull plate. Pull 8 times or so. There was a loud explosion. And it's important to remember that. Press it in at any time. You can't just keep pulling. It will drown inside. Press in and then start it. Generally, it can be started with up to 2 clicks. This place is the brake. Move to the front is the brake to get it back. Be sure to remember to bring it back, pull it back. Don't push to the front. Push it to the front and it will melt.